Okay. All right. So here is the first example of how you're going to start to write these kind of reactions. Okay. So in this reaction, we're going to see that zinc is mixing with silver nitrate. Okay. And then we have to write the products of what's going to happen in this reaction. Okay. So the first thing you want to do is recognize that it's a possible single displacement because I have a single element and then a compound. Okay. So what I need to decide is if zinc is going to kick the silver out of the compound. All right, so the first step is to decide if the reaction is even going to happen. If it's not going to happen, then you just write NR and the whole problem's done. Isn't that nice? But no. All right, so we need to see who's stronger, zinc or silver, because remember, the stronger one is going to end up in the partner, in the couple, in the compound. All right, so if you scroll to the activity series here, I'm looking for, what was it, zinc, okay, and silver. Okay, now notice silver is very low on the list, all right, because silver doesn't really react. That's why a lot of jewelry is made of silver. Same thing with gold, platinum, right, copper even. These are jewelry materials because they're not likely to react with things, okay? So silver is very, very weak. Silver almost never wins the battle. Okay, so zinc is stronger. So what's going to happen is zinc is going to kick silver out of the compound. So then it's going to become silver is going to become the solid, okay, plus the compound of zinc nitrate. All right, so I gave you a little spot here to write the ions to help you write what this compound should be, okay? So zinc is going to be my cation ion, okay, and nitrate is going to be my anion. All right, so you're going to need to use your pink sheet to look up the charges. Remember, zinc is going to be a +2, nitrate is going to be a -1, okay? All right, so when these two get together, if zinc's a +2 and nitrate's a -1, that means I'm going to need 2 nitrates, right? Because then I'll have a total of a -2 to balance out the +2 in the zinc. All right, so then I'm going to end up with zinc nitrate up here. Okay, all right. Then you're going to need to go through and balance the equation. Okay, I left these little spots here so you remember. You have to add them here too. All right, so I have 1 zinc, 1 silver, and I would just think of the nitrate as one thing. That's going to be a little bit easier. Okay, so over here, you see I'm going to have 2 nitrates. So I know this is going to have to be a 2. All right, so now my 2 nitrates balance, but now I have 2 silvers. So that's going to have to also be a 2. Okay, this can stay a 1. All right, and then my particle diagram, I'm going to have 1 zinc, okay, plus a silver nitrate. Okay, and if you want to go back to what we did before where you're sort of like making this a polyatomic, that's not a bad idea. Okay, let's see if I can do this. This is my new thing. I'm going to try my new little toy. Let's see how I do that. Copy, paste. Oh, look at that. Oh my God, miracle. Okay, all right, and then I have 2 silver nitrates. Okay, that's going to make, all right, 2 silvers, okay, and then 1 zinc nitrate, okay, because that's going to be an NO3 and then an NO3 over here. Okay, so you can do these however you want to do these, okay. All right, so I can clearly see now that this is balanced. I have a zinc and a zinc, 2 silvers, and 2 nitrate ions. Okay, so this is going to be balanced.